All right, 17 millimeter, take off the lugs. Six millimeter hex, retain this rotor set screw. Remove the spring clip. Remove 7 millimeter hex guide pins. Top one and the bottom one. All right, remove the caliper. Inner pad is done. Press back the caliper piston. Remove the caliper bolt, 16 millimeter. Remove the rotor. New rotor. Replace caliper bracket. New pads in the caliper. Caliper back on. Tighten up the caliper guide pins. 22 foot-pounds. All right, put back the spring anti-rattle clip. Oof, that was annoying. All right, new rotor, new pads, calipers back on. Time to put the wheel back on. All right, wheels back on. All the tools are already out for the second side. C-clamp, torque wrench, pry bar, ratchets, anti-seize, brake pads, torque wrench, swivel sockets, 4-pound sledge, bungee cords, hex keys,